To the left in our view, we find the toolbox. The toolbox contains various items and modules applicable to aspiration systems. For now, we will focus on one item in particular. This is the aspect grizzle. We can grab it by holding left mouse button and drag it into the scene. A window will now appear, where you'll need to fill in the necessary information about the aspect. First, you can assign the aspect a name, very useful for identification, especially in larger projects with several aspects. Next is the installation height, which is the distance the aspect will be mounted from the floor. Then comes the ceiling height, where you type the distance between the floor and the ceiling. The pipe root is mounted just below the ceiling. Check the box if the ceiling height is fixed or not. If checked, the next aspect will suggest the same ceiling height as the previous one. Building type comes in two categories, commercial and agriculture. While many types of projects may fall under the term of commercial, it is crucial that agriculture is selected if it is indeed agriculture you are designing for. This settings is aimed at projects where the aspect is subjected to the challenging environment of agriculture, where you need your system to be optimally configured to handle those conditions. PipeDraw follows the sensitivity classifications outlined in EN 54 Part 20. Class C is considered to be standard and often used for general fire detection. Class B is enhanced for earlier detection time, often used when risk is heightened in the event of fire. Class A is the most sensitive class and will sense the tiniest traces of smoke, mostly applicable in sterile or clean environments. Selecting the correct sensitivity class is crucial for fire safety and regulatory compliance. There are strict rules and specifications that must be followed to ensure proper system performance and adherence to legal fire safety standards. Always refer to the relevant rules and regulations to ensure your project complies within the legal boundaries of its location. You can choose between 3 pipe configurations for the aspect. Hub can be utilized to merge 2 gates into one, which means that the aspect now only works with one address. The hub is useful in scenarios where the space is rather small, but 2 gates might be overkill. Thub will split 2 gates into 4, with each of the 2 addresses overseeing 2 gates. Each gate can extend up to 100 meters, allowing for a total coverage of up to 400 meters. The thub is particularly useful in scenarios requiring coverage of larger areas within the C-class category, which is often the case in agriculture and industry. 2 gates is the standard configuration of the aspect, providing 2 addresses with 100 meters each for a total of 200 meters. This is the recommended configuration if B-class sensitivity or higher is required. Once all the information about the aspect is filled in, click OK. You can make changes to your aspect after placing it on the drawing. To do this, select the aspect by clicking on it. Then open the Properties menu in the upper right corner. Here, you'll see information about your aspect and can make adjustments. The editable properties include the name, aspect type, sensitivity, fire class, installation height, ceiling height, and building type. However, if pipes has been drawn already, the number of pipes cannot be changed. Only aspects without drawn pipes can be changed. When you click on the aspect, you get access to 3 circles, 2 on the side, and 1 large in the middle. Without clicking on the circles, you can simply drag the aspect around in the scene to place it on desired location. To rotate the aspect, use the blue circles on the arms to adjust its orientation. If you hold down Shift while rotating, you can rotate the aspect freely, independent of the predefined axis.